Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach IELTS in Lahore. Well, guys, once again, I welcome you to my IELTS podcast. In this podcast, I'm going to give you more than 40 awesome and incredible idioms, and these idioms are going to help you with your writing task. So don't overuse them. Do not try to stuff your essay with all the idioms. Just use 1 to 2 idioms and very appropriately if they are according to the situation. Otherwise, don't use them. Again, I tell you, do not stuff your essay with all these idioms. Do not use them unnecessarily. Use them wisely. If they relate the topic, if these idioms are related to the topic, then you can use. Otherwise, don't use them. Let's take a start. I'll tell you the idiom and then I'll tell you the meaning of that. The first one is prevention is better than cure. We use it for health, crime, or problem-based essays that prevention is better than cure. Next, order of the day. Order of the day is basically lifestyle, fast food, internet has become the order of the day, something which is very, very popular. Okay. Next, to take the bull by the horns. To take the bull by the horns means face the problem with all efforts. Necessity is the mother of invention. Okay. Essays on modernization, fast food, internet, there you can write this idiom. More work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. We use it in essays on extra school work or pressure, right? These type of essays. Next, to roll up one's sleeves. Now, instead of one's, you can write to roll up my sleeves, to roll up your sleeves, to roll up his sleeves, to roll up their sleeves. So, to roll up one's sleeves means to fight a situation with determination and courage, like you guys are doing with IELTS, okay? Next, excess of everything is bad. Excess of everything is bad. We use it for fast food, lifestyle, technology, changing trends type essays. There we can say excess of everything is bad. Go hand in hand. When two things go together, technology and development go hand in hand. Okay, all right. Fast food and obesity go hand in hand. If you eat fast food, you're going to be obese. Next, an empty mind is devil's workshop. You can use it in essays like which are on growth, time management, youths. So empty mind is devil's workshop means if you've got nothing to do, you'll become a devil. Okay. Next, a sound mind lives in a solid body. This is wrong actually. Leaves is wrong here. A sound mind lives in a solid body. So it is all about health. We also say a sound mind has a solid body. Lives in better. A sound mind lives in a solid body. It is about health, fitness, importance of exercise. Or we also say sound body has a sound mind. Yes, exactly. Sound body has a sound mind. Next, like a wildfire. Like a wildfire is used when you want to say that something is growing awesomely. Like population, internet is spreading like a wildfire. Population is spreading like a wildfire. Fast food is spreading like a wildfire. Next, part and parcel. Part and parcel is actually used when you want to describe something which is useful and integral part of something like money, better lifestyle. Today, computer education is the part and parcel of life. Okay. Next, to make a mountain out of a molehill. To make mountain out of a molehill means unimportant or empty things or activities, right? Okay, when in Rome, do as Romans do. Behave as per the host culture. If you are in English speaking country, behave as English people. If you are in Arab country, behave like Arabs. So when in Rome, do as Romans do. Next, Rome was not built in a day. Now, Rome was not built in a day means on persistence or on consistency. Now, you guys are struggling with IELTS, so it takes time to develop your language skills because Rome was not built in a day. It takes time. Life is not a bed of roses. It should be roses, not rose. It means life is full of struggles. So you can use this idiom where you talk about struggle. Next, by leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds is all about growth of many folds or multiple progress. Like you can say, my country is making progress by leaps and bounds. Next, quantum leaps. Quantum leaps is the same as leaps and bounds. Quantum leaps. In the field of technology, we can see quantum leaps, or technology has taken some quantum leaps in the recent years. Where there is a will, there is a way. It is about the importance of desire, importance of willpower. Burning question of the day. Burning question of the day means hot topic, hot issue of the current time. Every nook and corner. Every nook and corner means something popularized everywhere. Fast food is found in every nook and corner of the world. All that glitters is not a gold means everything not okay in every situation, or everything that shines is not gold. Not bat an eyelid. Not bat an eyelid means not expressing any surprise, means you don't show any surprise on that. To rub shoulders with. To rub shoulders with means used to show for equal importance of something, like females with male, etc. By the way, if you do not understand any of these idioms, please do not use that idiom in your essay. Now, from all these 43, 44 idioms, you can select 15 to 20 idioms and then learn to use them properly, because idiom is not important. Use of the idiom is important. So you need to focus there. Okay, next is in full swing. In full swing means something in top gear, like internet revolution is in full swings this time, or fast food culture is in full swing. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means working hard till night. Like you guys are burning the midnight oil for IELTS preparation. Breathe new life into. Breathe new life into means put a new life in something. Out of blue. Out of blue means unexpectedly. Out of blue. Troubles come out of blue. Next, turn a deaf ear to. Avoid something. Turn a deaf ear to. For example, he turns a deaf ear to the advices of his parents. So that means he avoids, or to the pieces of advice of his parents. Or husbands usually turn a deaf ear to their wives. Okay. Next is child's play. Child's play means something easy to do. At the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means in the final moments. Take for granted. Take for granted means ignoring the worth of something. Don't take your parents for granted. Okay. Next, go without saying. Like we say, it goes without saying means something totally clear. When something is totally clear, then we say it goes without saying. Lion's share. Lion's share means vital part or major portion of something. Next, nip in the bud. Nip in the bud means to destroy even before growing. To destroy something before it grows. So we have to nip in the bud. Next, in seventh heaven. In seventh heaven means extremely happy. I was in seventh heaven when I achieved 8th band in IELTS. Okay, inshallah you'll be in seventh heaven soon. Means after getting good band score in IELTS. Okay, from scratch. From scratch means from complete beginning, from zero. When you go abroad, you have to start your life from scratch. Next, trump card. Trump card is very important part of something. Under one's thumb means in complete control. He is under his wife's thumb. You understand, huh? He is under his wife's thumb. When you say he's under his wife's thumb means he is in complete control of his wife. That's what we say, Ran Marid, huh? Slave of wife, okay. All right. Next. Be the talk of the town. Be the talk of the town means becoming very famous or popular. Leave no stone unturned. It means trying one's best. So, I will leave no stone unturned to get my desired band in IELTS. Now, out of these 40 plus idioms, you can select 20, 25 or 30 idioms, but make sure you use them correctly. Again, I tell you, if you use an idiom and the sentence is incorrect, then that idiom is going to play disaster with your IELTS band score. So just learn those idioms which are easy for you. Out of 40, you can select 10 idioms, 15, 20, and then don't use them that just because you know that idiom and you must write it. No, if it has some relevance with the topic, then you have to use the idiom. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have another page on Facebook, that is Asad Yaqub IELTS. You can like my Facebook page as well. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.